Okay, we have under urinary system we have talked about the basic histology of the urinary system and the structure, and along with that we have talked about the glomerular diseases. Usually we have extensive talked about this. අපි එක බෙදුවේ nephrotic the glomerular diseases causing nephrotic syndrome and the nephritic syndrome. I believe you can remember then what is nephrotic and what is nephritic syndrome, and the glomerular diseases we classified according to what syndrome usually that it causes. Okay, we have extensively talked about this. ඒ වුණාට මේක ඔයාලගේ අර clarification එක ගැන සහ completeness of sake අපි මේක ගොඩාක් කතා කරාට don't need to go into in depth about these things, but know what each and every one of these diseases the basic idea එකක් තියාගත්තා නම් ඇති ඒ වගේ. Then we talked about tubular interstitial diseases. We talked about pyelonephritis, tubular interstitial nephritis, and the acute tubular injury. Then one of the most important things is here the systemic diseases and the related changes in the kidneys. We talked about hypertensive related histopathological problems and features, and the diabetes related histopathological features. Those are of utmost importance. Go through those. And also neoplasms are a little bit of a hot topic in this area. You have to know what are the most common malignant tumors in the urinary system, and the variants a little bit you have to know. Okay, so except those things we have talked about the urothelial carcinomas as well.